Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add money to my Venmo account with my debit card. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Venmo app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings, then select Payment Methods. Next, tap on Add Bank or Card, then choose the Card option. Enter your debit card details including the card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. Double-check all the information, then tap Add to complete the linking process. Once your debit card is linked, return to the main menu and tap Manage Balance. You will see two options, Transfer to Bank and Add Money. Tap Add Money. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to add to your Venmo balance, for example, $25. Tap Done, then tap the blue Next button to continue. You'll see a summary screen showing the transfer details, including the amount, the source of funds, and the estimated arrival time. Debit card transfers are typically instant, while bank transfers can take up to 3 to 5 business days. If everything looks correct, tap the green Add Money button to complete the transaction. Venmo will send a confirmation email once the transfer is successful. So that's basically how you can add money to your Venmo account with your debit card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.